Everyone, today I am going to give an overview of a microwave assisted drying system or a real-time demo how to perform an experiment with the help of a microwave drying system. So this is a microwave drying system and the system was designed Energy Microwave Bangalore. So there are lots of switches and knobs are there. So this is the main switch of the instrument. You have to start the switch while starting an experiment, or you can stop the switch after the experiment or during the experiment. Then there is a switch called microwave start and stop switch. You have to press it before starting an experiment, or you can stop the microwave during an experiment or after the experiment by pressing this button. Then there is a switch called power control switch, through which you can adjust the power as per your experiment or as per the requirement of the experiment, and you can tune it to your desired power, microwave power, for any experiment. Then there is a switch called auto mode and manual mode. Now what is manual mode? In manual mode you can perform an experiment with the help of fixed power. So by controlling this power control switch, you can adjust the microwave power and you can perform an experiment. So then there is a mode called auto mode. Now what is auto mode? In auto mode you can perform an experiment with fixed temperature. So with this controller you can fix the temperature, so that by maintaining this temperature the power will take automatically. Now there is a switch called chamber lamp switch. So you can monitor the drying process through this window by switching on the this lamp switch. Then there is a switch called rotary motor switch, through which by pressing or by switching on this pan will move in a clockwise direction during an experiment. So this is the display through which you can monitor the power of an experiment. So your experiment is performing at what power, you can monitor through this. Now there is a integrated balance through which you can monitor the online weight loss of an experiment or during a drying process. Now you can perform an experiment with an inert atmosphere. So that for inert atmosphere we have a gas connection. So you can insert the gas, especially the nitrogen gas or any other inert gas. You can push it through this pipe and you can perform an experiment with an inert atmosphere. This is the cavity of a microwave drying system. The microwave comes from the top of the microwave drying system. The heart of the microwave drying system is the magneton and the waveguide. Now what is the function of a magneton? A magneton is an electron tube or a vacuum tube for amplifying or generating microwaves with a flow of electrons controlled by an external magnetic field. And the function of waveguide is to transfer the powers to the cavity or the drying system. Now what is the heating mechanism in a microwave drying system? Microwave heating of food product most predominantly takes place by ionic conduction and dipolar rotation. In the microwave drying, the water molecule is notably affected by the elevated frequency alternating the magnetic field. Due to the dipolar movement, the water molecule oscillates about its axis and creates intermolecular friction and generates large amount of internal heat, which may utilize to dry the material. In general, two frequencies 2450 MHz and 915 MHz are used in the microwave food processing or in industrial application, while 2450 MHz frequency is used in domestic ovens. The US Food and Drug Administration approves the microwave food processing technology for industrial application using the microwave energy of 915 MHz.